Welcome everyone. And today we're going to solve a question which was asked in IIT JAM 2025. Now this is an MSQ type question, and it is given like that. External sequence is given by summation k equals to 1 to n, k divided by n square plus k. And then they are asking that which of the following options is or are true. And the options are like the sequence xn converges, the series xn converges, the series xn do not converge, and the series summation xn to the power n converges. Now, this is a very good question, I think, because this is as a conceptual question. You have to understand in the exam, and it will be difficult if you don't know some basic inequalities or some basic concepts in inequalities. So yeah, today we're gonna see and solve this question. So first, try to see that for 1 less equals to k less equals to n, k divided by n square plus k is less equals to k divided by n square, and k divided by n square plus k is k equals to 1 by n square plus n, because k is greater equals to 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator it will be 1 by k greater equals to 1 by n. And then we can write compactly as 1 by n square plus n less equals to k divided by n square plus k less equals to k divided by n square. So now since we need the sequence xn, so we have to take summation on all sides. So by taking summation, we can see that this is nothing but 1 by n square plus n summation k equals to 1 to n into 1. This equals to summation k equals to 1 to n k divided by n square plus k, and this is less equals to 1 by n square summation k equals to 1 to n into k, and this implies that 1 by n square plus n into 1 by 2n times n plus 1 less equals to, now this middle term in the inequality is nothing but the sequence xn, and this will be less equals to 1 by n square time half n plus 1. Now this is implying, so this n into n plus 1 is nothing but n square plus n, so it will get cancelled out. So we'll have only 1 by 2 less equals to xn less equals to 1 by 2 times n plus 1 by n. So now there is a very famous theorem in analysis, which we all have studied in our bachelor's, and that is called the sandwich theorem. Sometimes called also mousetrap principle. So, and using this theorem, we can prove that limit xn is half. Okay, so from here we can see that option 1 is true because the sequence xn is converging, and since we know that our series xn converges, implies that limit xn is 0. But here limit xn is non-zero because limit xn is half, so summation xn does not converge, right? So option B is false. Now what about the last option, that is summation xn to the power n? Now for last option, try to see that xn is less equals to 1 by 2 times 1 plus 1 by n, or in other words 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2n. So now if n is greater equals to 2, then see that xn is less equals to 1 by 2 times 1 by 4, and this is true for every n which is greater equals to 2. So this is nothing but 3 by 4. So xn to the power n is nothing but 3 by 4 to the power n. So now by ratio test, we can see that summation 3 by 4 to the power n convergent, as 3 by 4 is less than 1, because this is a geometric series, and geometric series summation r to the power n converges as long as r is less than 1. Okay. So by ratio test, summation xn to the power n is convergent. So from here we can say that option D is true. So for this question, A, C, and D options are true. So yeah.